And, a signal piece of that evidence for me, sort of a thing that really sort of galvanized my interest was that I got to look at the IRS tax tables in 2007, 2008, which showed American income shares and the history of that. And in 1980, the top 1% of Americans shared about 8.5% of national income. By 2007, that 8% had grown to 22%, as I recall. So triple, largely, as a share of national income, while the bottom 50% of Americans, their share fell from about 18% in 1980 to 12% in about 2007. And what I did is I took those numbers and I stuck them in a spreadsheet and said, what happens if this trend continues for another 30 years? And the answer is revolution. It's just arithmetic, because you cannot sustain a capitalist democracy if the top 1% controls 45 or 50% of income and the bottom 50% shares 5. This is not a deep political insight. This is just math. And I freaked out and decided that I needed to devote myself to trying to figure out why this happened and how you could fix it. And so I have been writing about this and working on it since then.